Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is all about my Boxycharm pop-up haul.
Be your own best, beautiful.
Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, share this video out if you do enjoy the content, it really does help my channel a lot, and turn on your bell notifications so you're notified of future videos. Today's video is all about my Boxy pop-up haul for the month of August. I do have two orders. I have my biggest order I've ever placed through Boxy Pop-Up, and I have my most expensive but smallest order. If you're unfamiliar with the Boxycharm Pop-Up, if you do receive any version of the Boxycharm boxes, you can go in and shop for product for up to 70% off. And that includes products that were previously in Boxycharm boxes, in that month's boxes, and also different companies from jewelry, beauty, hair, things like that. So it's a really affordable way to either test new product or to re-up on your favorite products, which is what I tend to do. I also purchased a lot of these particular products with holiday gift giving in mind. And a few quick deets, because this is actually my very last video that I'll be filming in this space. We are moving. We rent a home and our homeowner is ready to sell the house. So yeah, we got to get the hell out. So this is the last time that I will film in this space. You will see this background though for my declutter series that I have already filmed, and I am currently packing and getting ready to move. So yeah, wish me luck when we get into the new space. It will be different. It's a much smaller space for me, and I also have to now include my beauty space and my office together. So we're gonna make it work. I have to downsize and get rid of a lot of stuff. That is why I've decluttered these past few weeks. So you will see my declutter series coming up very, very soon, but you will not actually see me in the present for probably a month. So I do apologize about all that. We're gonna dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the first box and show you guys what I got. Alright beauties, we are diving in now. This one is my biggest haul that I've ever gotten through my Boxy Pop-Up. I will of course let you know what I paid and how much the retail value is as well. This order I placed on August 9th. Today is August 27th and I just got it a couple days ago. Alright beauties, first up is this thermal mug that says "But First Coffee." I did get this for a gift for a friend. I paid $5 for this, and the retail on their site I saw some for like $15 all the way up to $20, so we'll say around $15 price point. Also, anything that's a newer makeup product, you guys know I like to test things and kind of showcase for you guys in a first impressions video. Everything that I unboxed today, I'm putting it right back in those boxes and sealing it up because, you know, of course, I'm moving. Next up is this Hallmarks Collectibles little makeup bag. I thought this would be really beautiful as a gift for somebody. It is a canvas with a navy detailing and a navy bow, and I liked it so much because it has a really cool like vintage aesthetic to it. So I really like it, and I think it would make a really good, again, holiday gift. This was $32 retail and I paid $4 for it, so I think, again, a good deal. Next up are these earrings from Kate and Chloe. I paid $9 for these and they retailed for $40. I also got these as a gift. That's quite strange. Normally I see earrings, especially if they're selling these for $40 or $50 kind of retail. I would have expected them to be like actually on the container. Okay, that's fine though, but I thought these were super, super beautiful. And I think the beauty that I got these for is going to absolutely love them. And again, for $9, I feel like that's a really, really good deal. Let me put some of this out of my way. Next up, I picked up a few Spongelles. If you know, you know. You guys know that me and Caleb are obsessed with Spongelles. I absolutely love them. Each and every single time I do speak about Spongelles, I do warn you that the very first time you use these, they are quite abrasive. As you use them and you soak them with water and you kind of use them a couple times, they do soften up. But if you have very sensitive or very reactive skin, I do not recommend. Or if you can kind of get through that first use, I think you'll be okay. But I did re-up one for Caleb. This is the Men's Extreme Buffer. These are normally $18 and I paid, I think, $3. Yes, and I paid $3. Then for myself, I got the Spongelle Honey Blossom and the Apple Blossom. These retail for $16 and I paid $5. I don't know why the men's is only $3 and these were $5. Boxycharm. Okay, next up, I got this Daily Concepts Daily Back Scrubber, and it is one of the larger ones that has like the little handles on it. And this retails for $18 and I paid $3 for it. So again, a good deal. Next up, I got this Pure No Filter Primer in Rose Gold, and it's supposed to be a blurring photography primer. And I paid $3 for this. It is a full size, and it is $33 retail. Next up, I got the Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. And this also is a full size that retails for $68, and I paid $7 for it. I love Wander Beauty. I'm actually wearing Wander Beauty foundation today. I've purchased 2 of them. I love their foundation. It's right up there in my top 3. I love it. Their glow oil is beautiful. Everything I've ever tried from them, I've really enjoyed. So I'm definitely excited to test this out. Next up is the Creme Shop Get Lifted CBD Mascara. It's supposed to be volumizing, lengthening, and conditioning. It is a full size. It's normally $12, and I paid $3. Next up are the Creme Shop Power Fusion Cleansing Towelettes with grapefruit and collagen. It is supposed to be a plump and glow. These retail for $9, and I paid $3. Next up is this Dose of Colors lip liner in the shade Truth or Bear. I do not see these on their website anymore. I don't know if they're reformulating and coming out with some new ones, but I paid $3 for this. When I did see their kind of bundles or sets that has the liner, the gloss, and the lipstick, they're around $39. So I feel like $3 is still really good. Next up is the Smith & Colt Book of Eyes Eyeshadow Quad. I got the shade Song for Fields, and this retails for $44, and I got it for $6. I do quickly want to open it up and look at it. I've tried a nail polish from them, and I think a lipstick, and I liked both. I really do love the packaging, and it's just a little quad. Oh, I love that. I think this is absolutely stunning, especially as we head into fall. And with me moving and everything, I kind of want to just have something that's simple and small. I'm actually going today, because this is all going to get packed up. Today I'm going to pack up my kind of travel bag, my makeup overnight bag, and just pack enough makeup for the next couple of weeks that if I do want to sit down and do a little bit of a face, I have something. So I think I'm going to put this in there. Next up, I got this Billion Dollar Brows Clear Brow Gel. It does retail for $16, and I paid $3. Next is the Glow to Go Teeth Whitening Pen Natural Cinnamon flavor. These retail for $25, and I paid $6. Next, I picked up the Patchology Warm Up Best Foot Forward Softening Foot and Heel Mask. And it says 1 treatment, and this retails for $10, and I paid $3 for it. And then last but not least, in my largest haul, is the Catherine Malandrino Facial Cleansing Massager. Cleans pores, prevents acne, perfect for all skin types. And I did get the pink one. And this was $50, and I paid $9 for it. So I really hope this works. If you've tried this, or if you've tried a silicone facial cleanser versus like the Clarisonic like I have, let me know. Sadly, they no longer sell Clarisonic. So that is it for my very first order, my largest order that I've ever made through Boxy Pop-Up. I will total up what the retail value was and what I paid for it, of course, and pop it up right here for you. And then we'll dive into the next order. All right, beauties, we are going into the second order now. This order is the probably smallest, but cost the most order, if that makes any sense. So first up, I have the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. This is a full size, and this is typically $43, and I paid $18. I don't typically like to pay that much for like a Boxy Pop-Up type of price, but y'all, I received a sample of this and I have been using it every single day. I think it is an absolutely beautiful formulation. It smells divine. I love the texture of it. It's very like jelly, but also quite thick and creamy and balmy. I love it. When you put it on, it is super glowy. I'm going to try to get really up close so you can see. It has this like beautiful iridescence, I guess you would call it, to it. So when you do put it on the skin, you can kind of see that really beautiful like pink glowy shift coming through. But it melts right into the skin. It's not heavy or anything like that. And when I put this on, you guys, my skin looks and feels beautiful. And if you know me at all, you know I don't typically like anything that's jelly or gel textured. I'm just very strange about texture. So I wasn't even going to test this. I was actually just going to put it in a package and send it when I sent a package out to somebody. But I was like, no, let me try it. Let me just see. So this for $18, I am extremely excited to have this because I love this. It is very quickly becoming my favorite moisturizer. So I was happy to pay the $18 because I had already been using it. Next up, I did not actually see a price for this anywhere. I actually couldn't find this anywhere, but it says Style Dry Turban Style Shower Cap. I actually got this for my niece to put back for Christmas, and I paid $6 for it. So I don't know if that was a good price or not, but I saw it. I thought it was super cute, and she uses shower caps when she takes a shower, so I thought she would like it. I thought it was super cute, so hopefully I didn't get ripped off. Next up, and I'm pretty sure this is a new launch for them, and it came out through Boxy first, I think. But it is the Ace Beauty Floral Vintage Full-Size Palette. I did pay $9 for it, and it retails for $49. And it's actually much larger than I thought it was going to be. And I love Ace Beauty quality. I think they have a beautiful, beautiful formula. So I do want to, again, just look at it really quickly. And of course, it's pale yellow, which, you know, my favorite color is yellow. I love this. I think it is so beautiful. And I feel like it is definitely a Riri palette. It's got warm tones and grungy vibes. I definitely feel like this could take us well into fall and winter as well. I think it has beautiful, deeper, you know, more earthy, rich tones in here. So I am really excited to test this out. Again, I think this was launched with Boxycharm, with the pop-up. So very excited to have that. And yes, I just filmed my declutter, and yes, I bought more stuff. What can you do? Then, and the reason that this was so damn expensive for these 4 items, but I've been wanting to try this, and I have actually 2 friends that have used this. They love it. They swear by it. And if you don't already know, I suffer a lot of chronic pain. I've actually been in excruciating pain, especially packing and moving recently. So this came at the perfect time. But it's the Lux and Willow Bio Recoup Deep Tissue Muscle Massager. It's very heavy, extremely heavy. And I did get, I think they had like pink and then this one, but this one's marble. And all of my stuff in my room is like the cool marble detailing. I am so excited to test this out. I'm going to be using this tonight once I pack and move a couple loads to the new house. And this retails for $109, and I paid $49 for it. And at first, again, I don't like to spend a whole lot if it's like a Boxy pop-up thing, but I did do some research. I went on Amazon, I went on different sites, and even like cheaper, like lesser quality ones were $49 and $59. So I think this is a good buy. I'm hoping this is a good buy. If you have tried one of these, please let me know. I am anticipating that this is going to make my back and my shoulders and my neck feel amazing. So that is everything. My biggest haul and one of my smallest yet most expensive hauls. That's it, beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.